Hey guys, you got Mandy, Isaiah, Zay, aka Zay, My, and Kareem. We're back again for another story time.
Story time.
I'll put my hat backwards. Back for story time. Alright, so the sun is really in my face, so I'm going to see if I can kind of trade places. Okay.
Now, how do you just sit?
Now, you come and sit, or you want me to...
Nah, you know what?
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright.
So today we're gonna read.
Yeah.
The Rooster. Wait.
Okay.
Today we're gonna read the Rooster who would not be quiet.
The rooster who would not be quiet. That's right. That's correct.
The rooster who would not be quiet.
And this book is by Carmen Aguirre Didi, Eugene Yelchin. And I apologize if I get your name wrong.
We do game videos too.
He's giving you a little intro.
Too.
Okay. So, The Rooster Who Would Not Be Quiet. This is a Scholastic Book Fair book. To Ruby, Sam, and Grace, and to real roosters everywhere, CD. For Isaac and Iziara, EY. See the babies? The little baby chickies falling behind Daddy Rooster? Once there was a village where the streets rang with song from the morning till night.
Guys, wait. You know, every time when you see the book, the word, it starts from here. But how we're doing it, it started from here.
Okay. So you're always going to start reading from left to right, depending on where you are, because it might be different than that. All right, let's keep going. Can you guys see the notes in the picture? Really?
Right here.
Good job. What else can you guys see in these pictures?
I can see.
Can you see the cows?
The cows.
Good.
And goats and grass, and there's notes on these.
Good job. Keep watching.
This on this side.
Dogs bayed, mothers crooned, engines hummed, fountains warbled, and everybody sang in the shower. Who likes singing in the shower?
Mama.
Man, you're missing.
That might be
what cool things
This
are
might
here.
be the guy that gets this. And one of the guys doesn't like it.
Awesome.
No, so one of them's gonna try to stop it.
Everyone and everything has a song to sing. This made the village of La Paz a very noisy place. This made it hard to hear. It was hard to sleep. It was hard to think. And no one knew what to do. So they fired the mayor. They fired the mayor. Kareem, come here. Come and see the mayor. Let's see who the people are voting for. Oh, sounds like you got hurt. Are you alright? They're firing the mayor. Look at the poor mayor walking off. Oh, you see the people? It's way too noisy. No, mayor. They fired the mayor, Kareem. You see? Here, can you see?
Well, is this the mayor?
Yeah, that's the mayor. Okay, so let's keep going. Sorry, I totally slapped you in the face with that. I apologize.
And now, when you read it, now we're supposed to stop it.
Okay, so this says vote for Don Pepe. Don Pepe. Now they were a very noisy village without a mayor. So they held an election. Only Don Pepe promised peace and quiet. Only Don Pepe promised peace and quiet. He won by a landslide. The next day, a very polite law appeared in the village square. No loud singing in public, por favor. Things was getting better already. Okay, so, but more laws soon followed. No loud singing at home. No loud singing. No singing. Bastard, quiet already.
No singing.
Bastard, quiet.
I want to paint Mommy.
The very noisy village of La Paz was silent as a tomb.
Mommy, if you don't get the colors, I want to paint.
Do you think it was nice for them to take away all songs?
Mommy, I want to paint.
Okay, get the paint set from right out of there, and I'll go ahead.
Is this where the paint set goes?
Tea kettles.
Tea kettles. Well, I don't know where the paint is. Afraid to whistle.
Good job. Even the tea kettles were afraid to whistle. That wasn't nice. I like to sing. I don't like anybody telling me I cannot sing, or I will get so upset. It's just not funny.
If you don't find the paint,
what about you? Would you be mad?
Gonna be so mad.
You'd be pissed. Okay.
Excuse her language.
Pissed? I said you excuse my language. Some people left the village singing loudly. Others stayed behind and learned to hum. The rest were just grateful to be able to have a good night's sleep. For crying out loud. 7 very quiet years passed. The only evening a saucy Galeto and his family wandered into the village, and roosters in a fragment mango tree. When the little rooster awoke the next morning, he did what roosters were born to do. What do you think that is?
He sang.
He sang. Good job. Cock-a-doodle! Cock-a-doodle! Thank you, Rooster, for singing. As his rotten luck would have it, The mango tree grew beneath the cranky mayor's window. Uh-oh. Yeah! Groused Don Pepe. No singing! It is the law! Well, that's a silly law, said the merry Gaito. Smell this sweet mango tree. How can I keep from singing? Then I will chop down the stinky tree. Don Pepe. Will you sing then? The plucky Gaito shrugged. I may sing less of a cheerful song, but I will sing. And he did. Still singing, snapped Don Pepe. You have no tree, remember? Oh, so he figured because he's taking away the tree that he would stop the song. Have you ever went through that where someone was trying to take something that you didn't love or stop a progress that you didn't love? Yes, I've been through it too. We've all been through it. Well, I'm your mom. You'd feel like that. But we've all been through it at one time or another. And I want to know what you guys did to overcome that obstacle. So just comment below, like, follow and share, but let us know.
Yes, I did, Jeff.
Still singing? You have no tree, remember? I have no tree, said Gaito, but I have my hen and my chicks. How can I keep from singing? Threatened Don Pepito. I may sing a lonelier song, said the stubborn Gaito, but I will sing. And he did. See the baby chicks? Think that's nice of Don Pepito to be so mean.
Wait, what did you say?
He done locked them up. Why are you singing now? Growled Don Pepe. You have no hens and no chicks. No hens and no chicks, Gallagher sighed. But I still have corn to eat. How can I keep from singing? And if you have no more corn, asked the mayor. And if you have no more corn, asked the mayor, I may sing a hunger song. A hungrier song, said the headstrong Gaito. But I will sing, and he did. So he took away his babies. He took away his food. Anybody else would have been so upset that they probably would have just lashed out. It's not okay. That's good, though, that he's so high-spirited that you cannot break this rooster's spirit. It's very good. Aren't you hungry, you crazy birds? Wailed Don Pepe. Claro, of course, said Gaito. But if the sun can still shine despite the world's troubles, how can I keep from singing? And if you never see the sun again, snarled the mayor, and he ran for a blanket to cover the rooster's cage, I may sing a darker song. The brave Gaito called out after him, but I will sing, and he did. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle! Okay. As the Gaito's song echoed down the soundless streets of La Paz, it stirred up an old familiar longing for a time when everyone and everything had a song to sing. Not so with Don Pepe. Singing gave him indigestion. Stomach hurt so bad. Don Pepe's stomach hurt so bad he had indigestion. The next day, Don Pepe stumbled out the yard in his nightshirt. He tore away the blanket and pleaded, "You have no tree to roost in, no hen and no chicks to comfort you, no grain to fill your body, or your belly rather, no sun to drive away the shadows. Why, oh why are you still singing? Promise to stop and I will set you free." He's going crazy. You see him biting his fingers? He's just going crazy. Oh my gosh. One by one, a quiet crowd began to gather in Don Pepe's yard. "I sing for those who dare not to sing, or have forgotten how." So the Galito, "If I must sing for them as well, Senor, how can I keep from singing? And if I've made you into a soup," the mayor thundered, "I suppose you will sing. I suppose you will still sing if you are dead." "How dare you threaten, little chicken? Don't you dare the rooster! Don't you do that! Don't you do that!" But a song is louder than one noisy little rooster, or stronger than one bully of a mayor, said the Galito, "and it will never die, so long as there is somebody to sing it." And there was. Everybody chipped in and sang. "You can't keep a good guy down, dum 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 dum." Shout out to all dogs go to heaven. The end. This is the author's note. Rooster sang at sunrise. They also sang at noon, sundown, and in the middle of the night. Rooster sang when they please. And that's all there is to do. Much like Rooster, human children are born with voices strong and true and irrepressible. Then, bit by bit, most of us learn to temper our opinions, censor our beliefs, and quiet our voices. But not all of us. There are always those who resist being silent, who will crawl out their truth without regard to consequence, foolhardily or wise. They are the ones who give us the courage to sing. Carmen Agur Didi.
Today maybe not shadows, but shout out. But maybe tomorrow. Bye.
So wait. Lopez is happy but noisy village. Lopez is a happy but a noisy village. This is until the horrible mayor, Don Pepe, outlaws singing of any kind. But there is one noisy rooster who doesn't give two mangoes about the mayor's silly rules. The end. Alright, you guys? That ends the Rooster book.
Before you pause the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We need 3 million likes and subscribers.
And we were doing that. We might.
Let's do a realistic goal.
Do something scary.
We may even play some games on the channel.
So this channel is a bunch of different things. There's from me singing to them singing to them doing their instruments.
Yeah, we're gonna do gaming.
And we do Roblox.
Gaming, just literally
Minecraft.
everything. It's every content, and the content that's not for kids, I will be posting adults, to the restriction only. But this is for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed.
We need 3 million likes, please.
Bye. Subscribe.
Like, subscribe,
And be
share.
awesome.